Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Glossybox. So this is the second time that I'm filming this unboxing, because the first one, I don't know what happened. I can't find it on the memory card. So yeah, so this is the second time, and if you want to see what I got in my Glossybox, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing, subscription boxes, beauty haul, and line up products, spoiler of subscription boxes. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yeah, let's try again this time. So let's unbox my Glossybox. This is the January. As I said on my lineup video that I will receive this month, because I forgot to cancel last month. So I already canceled my Glossybox. I always dip in and dip out because I want to know first what's inside. If I will use every single product, then I will subscribe. So if you're new to Glossybox, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £10 a month plus the shipping fee, which is £3.25, I think. All the info as always will be in this description box below, and you will receive usually 5 beauty items from skincare to makeup. And yes, and if you want to subscribe to Glossybox, I will pop also the link down below. So yes, let's open it again. And when you open this one, it's in the pink box, their usual box. When you open, lovelies, it's a booklet as always, and it says the power of beauty. And for February sneak peek, so if you don't want to see what will be in the next month sneak peek, just skip this part. So for next month, February, is the month of love. If you are eager to pucker up for your Valentine, you're going to want super soft lips. We want to make sure you've got a pout that's kissably smooth. So next month, we're bringing you Advanced Velvet Perfecting Rose Sugar Lip Scrub, gently exfoliating and illuminating. Your lips will have never felt so beautiful. So here we go. I'll show you, lovelies. So this is next month's sneak peek, and then there's usually a ribbon, but as I said, I already unboxed this one before, and the pink tissue paper and the products inside. So let's start. So the first product I have in here, and this is the Daily Concept Daily Reusable Rounds. So here is the product. As you can see, it's broken, and inside, lovelies, we have two reusable pads, which is I have in here. And as I said before, that I think this one is not really made properly, because as you can see, the stitch one, it's all like that. And yeah, I don't know how much this one, I don't remember. And this one, it's retail for £6.80, so it's quite expensive. I said in my previous video that it's been like more than a year now that I'm using reusable pads, and I have this one from Amazon. As you can see, it's stitched properly, and it doesn't leave the cloth one. As you can see, I washed this one, but it's only like £12 for 20 pieces, so it's quite affordable, isn't it? And but this one, as you can see, I need to wash them, but I hope that once wash it won't leave any of this cloth. Very, very soft. That's the thing that I like. But yes, so you can see it's everywhere, the thingy. So yes, it's not really made properly in my opinion. And this one, it says, did you know you can minimize your eco footprint while still staying on top of your much loved beauty regime? These natural and reusable makeup removal rounds are the perfect solution. These two pads are ideal for all face cleansing and makeup removal needs, and ensure there is no longer any need for disposable wipes and cotton pads, which is really a great idea. But yes, it's not really made properly in my opinion. And then the next one I have in here, and this is a Beauty Pro Avocado Infused Sheet Mask. Another sheet mask we have in here. I don't really mind receiving sheet masks because I use them a lot, but at the moment I'm using the For You UFO here, and I really do like it. Stay tuned for my review, but I'm still trying it. Once I used it a couple of times, I will definitely do a review of this one. Now I used it once or twice. I used it twice, and I really do like it. So once I know that one, I will love it. I will not definitely need sheet mask anymore because I don't think this one will fit in there. But yes, so this is from Beauty Pro. So this one is a full size, and this one is rated for £4.95. Intensely hydrating and nourish to the skin, this avocado infused sheet mask will leave your complexion feeling softer and smoother than ever. Completely plant-based and with its enriched superfood ingredient sourced from New Zealand. This sheet mask also protects the skin from the elements and aids in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So this one is rated for £4.95. And then the next one we have in here, and this is St. Luke's Brow Gel. Has 5.8 ml, and I think this is a full size. So we have in the shade Clear, which is a thumbs up, because as you know, it should be clear so everyone can use it. And here we go inside. Let's try it because I didn't. Doesn't smell of anything. Quite nice. Go. I usually use my Benefit one, which is I really love. I repurchased that one many times. So yes, it's nice, as you can see. Yeah, it does its job, but I need to try more. So this one, love this. It's rated for £16, and this one, it says it's quite expensive, isn't it? Go down to your brows. For a more natural look, a clear brow gel can trump a pencil or powder. This gel glides on effortlessly, leaving your brows looking fuller and giving them the perfect shape that will stay put all day. The short brow brush will give you a precise placement, whilst the lightweight gel ensures there is no residue when dry. So yes, so this is the product. And the next one we have, this is the spoiler product, and this is from Ecooking Moisturizing Serum, fragrance free. It has 10 ml, so this is just a deluxe sample size. And I tried few products from Ecooking, and to be honest, it doesn't do anything to my skin. And for the price, I don't think I will repurchase this one because it's worth £22.50 to 10 ml, and the 20 ml, which is the full size, it retails for £45. So yeah, this is quite expensive for just a bit of product. And as I said, it doesn't do anything, the products that I received before. So yes, I will still try this one definitely because it's a moisturizing serum. Moisturizing at the moment, I really need it because, as I said, I have a dry skin, so moisturizing, it's a must right now. So yes, it says perfect for all ages and skin type. This serum gives your skin a likely much needed due to cold weather moisture boost by locking in your skin natural moisture and providing an extra kick of hydration. This Ecooking serum helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles to ensure your skin looks youthful and radiant. So the next product we have in here, and this one, it's not on the leaflet, on the booklet, and this is the Mud Musky Serum Infused Eye Mask, Dark Circle, Puffy Eyes, Fine Wrinkles, Dry Skin, and Swelling. It has 30 ml. This is a full size. I can't tell you how much this one because it's, as I said, it's not on the booklet. On the booklet we have the Rose Gua Shua, which is, I would prefer receiving that one because I really heard good reviews about this tool, and I really wanted to try one. So here we go. And as I said, I would prefer this one, but still happy to receive this one because Mad Musky is one of my favorite brand at the moment. I tried few of their products and I really enjoy using them, and I know, lovelies, some of you is not happy to receive another eye product, eye mask, or eye cream, because we had it in previous boxes before. Like we have received a lot of eye product before, but I'm still happy to receive this one, as I said, because eye products, I use them a lot. Eye mask, eye cream, I use them a lot, so I'm happy to receive it, and it's from Mad Musky, so yes. And then the last product we have in here, and I think this is treat, and this is from Your Sanitizer Hand Sanitizer Gel, alcohol-based hand sanitizer gel for hygienic hand disinfection, bactericidal and virucidal kind to skin, moisturizing, dermatologically tested, 75% ethanol. It has aloe vera and vitamin E. Aloe vera is really good, soothing. So yeah. And this one, I think it's a full size. It's a 60 ml, and this one is rated for £2.75. So yes, it's really great that they put this one here. As you know, we really need one of these at the moment, and yes, I will definitely use this one. So yeah, that's all, lovelies, as you can see. And let's do a recap. We have a treat, a hand sanitizer gel. It's a must right now, so I'm really glad that they put inside. The Mad Musky eye mask, I'm still happy to receive this one, even though I prefer that one, but I'm still happy to receive this one. And yeah, it has 30 ml. I know this is a full size. And then we have from Beauty Pro the Avocado sheet mask. Yes, I will still try this one, and avocado is really good on our skin, so definitely I will use this one. And then yes, I will try this one, the moisturizing serum from Ecooking. Moisturizing at the moment is a must for me, so yes, definitely. And this one, lovely, is the brow gel from St. Luke's. As you can see, it's nice. It's dry now, and yeah, it's quite nice. I need to try more to do my proper review, but yes, for now it's nice. The last product we received is this, the Daily Concept. As I said, it's very soft, but it's not really made properly in my opinion for that price. It's just my opinion. So yes, I still need to wash it, to try it, but first impression is not really good. So that's all, lovelies, for this month Glossybox. What do you think of this box? Do you receive the same product as mine? Let me know in the comment below. And that's all, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes. And also, lovelies, don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye. Mwah.